In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a document library in SharePoint Online. This process is perfect for those moments when you need to recover a library to an earlier state, whether it's due to accidental deletions or unwanted changes. So, let's dive right in and recover your data. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft SharePoint and press Enter. This will take you to the official SharePoint website. From here, click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the page. If you already have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might be automatically signed in. However, if you're not, please enter your email address and password to access your SharePoint account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the site where the document library you wish to restore is located. Browse through your site until you find the specific SharePoint document library that needs restoring. Open it up, and you should be greeted by the familiar interface. In the top right corner, look for the Settings gear icon. This is your go-to spot for various options related to your document library. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Restore this library. This option is designed specifically for restoring your library to a previous state. After selecting this option, you'll be directed to the Restore page. Here, you'll have the flexibility to choose from a list of previous dates in the drop-down menu, or if you need more precision, select Custom Date and Time. The ability to specify a precise point in your library's history is incredibly useful for targeting exactly when the unwanted changes started applying. To help you make a well-informed decision, SharePoint provides an activity chart and feed on this page. Use these resources to see the changes and activities that occurred around your chosen restore point. This feature ensures you have a clear picture of what will be undone once you complete the restore. Once you've identified the ideal restore point, simply select it. To finalize the process, click on the Restore button. By doing this, you will undo all activities that happened after the date and time you specified, effectively reverting the library to its previous state before those changes took place. And there you have it. Restoring a document library in SharePoint Online is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. With these steps, you can efficiently bring your document library back to a desired state and ensure your data remains intact and accurate. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.